lot of different maintenance things you can do to your pool to help enhance the performance of your chlorine. Brushing and vacuuming, a great way to remove contaminants, make sure water is circulating, make sure your chlorine is circulating through your pool so that it can get to all the bacteria and sanitize the way it needs to. Cleaning your filter is extraordinarily important when you're trying to enhance your water chemistry. Dirty filters eat up chlorine. They hold dirt, they hold debris, they hold bacteria, they hold all sorts of things that your chlorine tries to break down as it passes through. So cleaning your filter, we say every 4 to 6 weeks is ideal. Using BioGuard Clean It, BioGuard Strip Quick, cleaning your filter will help remove those contaminants and relieve some of the burden of chlorine. If you have a salt pool, right, you also want to be aware of physical maintenance activities. Cleaning your salt cell on a regular basis will enhance the ability to create chlorine, and it will help you keep your residuals steady and make it easier to balance the water. So you should be cleaning your salt cell a couple of times a season, depending on if you have hard water, etc. But definitely something to be aware of as you're trying to maintain all of your water balance parameters.